Hi everybody, Tama here. Welcome to my channel. I have a Beachly box today. This isn't something I typically post on my Peacecraft Dolls channel, but I believe there's at least one item in here that is doll related, so I'm going to go ahead and share it with you. Beachly is a subscription box, and you get it, I think it's quarterly. Yeah, every 3 months it comes out. And it's got beachy stuff. It's curated, so you get to pick stuff and everything. I don't know. I have mixed feelings with them. Some of the stuff I really, really like. Some of it's so-so. Shipping is not the best because the tracking, you don't even know when it's gonna arrive. But anyway, here's the box. Hello, sunshine. Here is the little catalog. So it has stuff you picked in here, and then the catalog tells you about what each item that you pick. So, and there's different levels. So if I remember correctly, I picked this sweater, this t-shirt. Well, let's see what I got. I know I picked a few things where I told them to surprise me, so we'll see if I like them or not. So this, all right, this is the thing I was thinking for my doll shelf. I have a doll shelf that's like a beach bungalow doll shelf. And I thought this would be cute to put in there. It is small, which is good. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, honestly. But that's okay. There's some boogers on there. Can I get those off? This is ceramic feeling. All right. So the stuff they have in the box that you can pick from a bunch of different companies, and then if you want, you can buy more stuff from the different companies. Yeah, I like this. I wish it didn't have these little boogery things. Oh, wait, no, that one came off. Maybe I can get this other one off. Yeah, it's coming off. All right. It's kind of weird that I have to, like, get that off, but that's going to look cute in the Blythe Beach Bungalow. Quick hair dry wrap. All right. I don't know if I really need a hair dry wrap. This must be one of the ones where I told them to surprise me, because I know I did not pick a hairdry wrap. So, oh, I like the fabric though. That's pretty. So I guess when your hair is wet, you put this on. What does it say? Hair towel gently absorbs excess water from your hair to help it dry quickly and with less damage to the strands. Wash your hair as usual, brush through, and from there it's as easy as wrap, twist, and tuck. Huh, well, I might try that because I do not air dry. I don't use a hair dryer on my hair. Yeah, okay. I'll give that a shot. I will try that out. That is something I would use. This is, oh, I did order this Shell nightlight. Can I just open it, or does it have, how do I open it? Oh, here. Nightlights are always handy around my house because it's usually dark. And this is handy for, like, when I go visit my mom or traveling sometimes. I don't travel a lot, but I always like to bring a nightlight with me. So somehow this connects onto here. How does, like, did this break? I mean, I think that was supposed to be on there. Well, this seems broken to me, but I don't know. I think it's supposed to be like that. And there's the on and off switch. Huh. Because it looks like it got ripped off of here. Looks like it was glued. Well, that's kind of crappy. Unless, is there adhesive? No. Well, that doesn't make me happy. I mean, I think that's fixable, but I shouldn't get it broken. Huh. Okay. See what I said? Like, it's kind of a mix. Like, some things I'll really, really like, and then some things I'm like, what the heck? Silky satin pillowcase. Okay, these must be one of the surprise things, because I remember thinking about these, but I didn't get them because our pillows are very large, and I wasn't sure if they would fit. Ooh, they're pretty though. Wow. right, what does this say? All right, so see, they have this company again. This is another company they have stuff from. Silky satin pillowcases provide a smooth texture to protect your skin against facial sleep lines, as well as preventing hair breakage due to your friction. Really? Due to friction. In addition, the glossy shine of the satin will elevate the look of your bedroom. Yeah, our bedroom's kind of like, but okay. Well, these might be big enough. It's pretty and it's very silky. It is very soft. And you know what? If I don't use them for that, I think I could use these to make some like smart doll dresses. These would be pretty. Okay, so I could recycle that into doll clothing. Oh, here's a t-shirt. Yippee-doo-dah! You are exactly where you're meant to be. Sure. This is the type of stuff, I like a big old t-shirt. I wear lots of big t-shirts. I like them to sleep in. I wear them during the day when I'm home and not at school. Obviously my school clothes are very different. Alright, this is pretty. It's got a little shell on the front. It feels pretty soft. Oops. And the back of it says Aprina C. I think that's how you say it. So here's again, that's company. They must be getting stuff from the same company. Choose organic. Crafted with organic cotton. I don't know if you can read that. Boy, it's light. Alright, so it's organic cotton. Sure. Pretty. Okay, where's that catalog? Here we go. So she's wearing the t-shirt. Here's the t-shirt. There's the front and back of the t-shirt. I like it. I wonder how you wash it, but I like it. It's nice and light. This is something I would totally wear around the house or to sleep in with my PJ bottoms. So now this, I'm excited about this. I don't wear a lot of sweaters. I live in South Florida and we don't wear, it doesn't get cold. Like January, February, it gets cold. But, and I will say that is one of my criticisms of this company. One, they don't have enough wearables. And two, they have a lot of knick-knacky things. So I think they need more wearables. And two, they seem to have a surprisingly large number of sweaters and things like that. And it's like it's supposed to be for the beach. And I mean, I know there's other beaches, and I know, like, I guess California, it can be pretty cold at their beaches. I've been to California Beach one time, and I froze my batupis off, and it was like July. But, but I don't have a lot of sweaters, because I don't buy them very often, so I thought I'd go with it. What does it say? Saltwater Luxe. Big old baggy sweater. Neutral colors. Okay, let me pull this up a little bit higher. You can see maybe. Here's the back of it. It says, "Hello, sunshine." This is super soft. Oh yeah, I like this. This is nice. This will be, I mean, this feels knitted, so it's nice. You know, it is knitted. You can see the stitches. Okay, I like this. Yeah, this is a keeper. A nice big old baggy sweater. I could almost use this as a coat. It's my new winter coat for South Florida. All right. And again, in the catalog, this is the sweater. Creme de la creme here. The big thing out of here. So, yeah, so this is the type of stuff they have. Like I said, I hesitate to recommend them. If you like beachy type stuff, one of the things I like is that they have, you know, the beachy theme, which appeals to me. But the tracking for your shipment, you almost get no notification whatsoever. Like, it'll just show up. When you do check the tracking stuff, it's like it's in Timbuktu. I believe my sister's box, she doesn't even know where it's at. It's been in transit for like 2 weeks, so maybe she'll get it soon. So I would say for a company that specializes in, this is all they do, is they send out subscription boxes. Whoever they use for their, the company they use to ship is probably super cheap because the quality of the shipping is not the greatest. However, it's well packaged, and I have been happy with, I would say, 80% of the items, if maybe 85% of the items I've gotten from them. Again, I just wish they had more wearables and less, a little bit less, they have lots of bags. I don't need bags. I've got bags at the wazoo. They have a lot of bags. See, there's more bags right here. And like nicky neck things. I'm not into I got all kinds of nicky neck things in my house. I don't need nicky neck things. So, but otherwise, yeah, let me know your thoughts. Definitely the Blythe Dollies are going to enjoy this. And here's Malibu making an appearance so you can kind of see the size. Yeah, that's cute. That'll be cute on her dolly shelf. She hangs out a lot in the beach bungalow, so that'll look cute with her. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And as I said, this isn't a typical video that I do, but I knew this was in here for the dolls, so I thought I'd go ahead and share it. Yeah, have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.